Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you buy Bitcoin into your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to buy Bitcoin into your Trust wallet, you just simply have to open this Trust wallet application, and after that simply unlock it by putting your fingerprints or your password. And after that, this homepage will be visible to you. You just simply have to select this buy option right here. Tap to that option and then you will get this all crypto section. Now into here you will see Bitcoin at very top. If you can't see that, you can search Bitcoin into the top search bar. Now in order to purchase, simply select the Bitcoin, and after selecting that you can choose the options to pay. You can choose either Google Pay, digital wallet, credit card and bank transfer. Just simply select any of the suitable payment options and just simply select the quantity that you want. And after that, simply tap to buy with the option that you have selected. And if you have sufficient balance in order to purchase, your Bitcoin will successfully be bought. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.